Hi everyone and welcome to Nutrina, the channel that feeds your brain with 0 calories, amazing facts and tips about active and healthy lifestyle. In this video, we are going to talk about the keto diet. But before we start, let me warn you that this diet can be dangerous. It can cause to essential minerals and vitamins deficiency, like in vitamin B1, that caused to a death of many people in ancient China. Therefore, I will strongly suggest you to consult with a dietitian or doctor before starting with it. So, prepare your stomach and let's start! Despite the renewed enthusiasm of this diet, it has been used since the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy. A keto or ketogenic diet is a low-carb, moderate protein, high-fat diet that can help you to burn fat more effectively. It's very useful for losing excess body fat without hunger and counting calories. I'm sure that each one of you have this one friend that lost 10 kilos in a month with this diet. The big weight loss is because it's put your body in metabolic state that's called ketosis. That's why it's named keto or ketogenic diet. This state created when you fast or eat very few carbs. So the body is in short supply of its main fuel source, sugar, and start to produce new fuel from fat. Using fat as main fuel increases dramatically the fat burning and may also reduce your hunger. Isn't it great? Foods to avoid. This is the less great part of the diet, because in a standard keto diet you need to eat only 5% carbs, which is around 20 grams. For comparison, a regular diet should contain at least 130 grams of carbs. It means that enough that you ate 1 banana and there goes the diet. So, start to say goodbye to all foods that are high in carbs, like sugary foods, grains and starches, fruits, all kinds of fruits, except small portions of berries, legumes, root vegetables and tubers, processed foods, unhealthy fats, and alcohol. Okay, enough with the drama, wipe your tears and let's move on. Surprising fact! The keto diet will boost your brain function and health. It's improved memory, help to reduce migraines, and reduce symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Foods to eat. What is left? Meat, all kind of meat, seafood and fatty fish, eggs, natural fats, cheese, nuts and seeds, avocado, and low-carb veggies. Bottom line, this diet is good for significant weight loss in a short period. If you want to lose some calories before your best friend's wedding. But in a period of half a year to a year, This diet is not more effective than any other diet to weight loss. Therefore, before you start with it, ask yourself if you are able to give up on a delicious pizza and pasta bolognese. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to get updates about new videos.